Hello, this is Mark LeBlanc, and this is a do-it-yourself video. On this video, we're going to show you connecting your equipment. You take your Ethernet cable. Whether you have an ONT or a cable modem, or actually even a DSL modem, it will have, typically they only have one Ethernet port. It's as simple as connecting. There's two on this. They're smart, it doesn't matter, it knows which one is in, which one is out. There you go. And then take your power cord, like so. On there. And you are plugged in. Make sure the light goes on at the top and you're good to go.